Hey guys, we are back with another video, and here's a 5th grade perimeter and area problem, so let's try to solve it. So we gotta figure out the mysteries first, so let's see. So if that's 2 and that's 5, that's 7, and then 9 minus 7 would be 2, so that has to be 2. And then, since that's 7, that has to be 7. So now let's count up all the, we know our mysteries, so count up all those numbers. 16, 23, 28, 30, 33, 36, 38. So the perimeter is 38. Now we have to figure out the area. So we gotta split these into this. So we have 5 times 7, that would be 35. 2 times 7, that would be 14. And then, since this is 1, so then 1 times 2, 2. So 14 plus 2, 16. 35 plus 16, 51. So the area is 51. So that's perimeter and area. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!